Welcome to Little Town Homestead. This is Allison if you're new, and today we're making cold brew coffee. Gives you that boost to help you get those summer chores done for the rest of the day. So today I'm out to run some errands and I would like some boost and a little bit of refreshment. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw together some cold brew coffee. Well, I'm almost out, so we need to make some more. So why don't you come along and let's make some. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my coffee, which I like to buy in bulk. So I throw it in this gallon-sized jar that I get from Azure Standard. I can leave a link in the description down below. I don't get any proceeds from this, but I put it in here and I love it. So we're gonna get some coffee. And I bought this made specifically for brewing cold brew. But what you could do is just use a mason jar and just put it in there without a filter. And then you would have to filter it out whenever you go to pour it in your glass so you don't get the coffee grounds and stuff. So what I would do if I did that is I have this little filter for steeping loose leaf tea. You can put that in, strain it out, or anything that you have. So for today, I'm going to use my cold brew iced coffee glass as well as this strainer that comes with it. So what you're going to do is you're going to stick it right in there and pop it on, and there you go. You also have the option with this glass to use just this. So essentially it's going to do exactly what the mason jar and the loose leaf tea strainer would do. You would just put it on like this. Pretty simple. So today I'm going to use the strainer that just goes in there completely. So whenever it's done, I'll take the strainer out and dump it in the trash, and then I can just put this lid on here or this lid and dump it out so it doesn't keep getting more and more strong. So I'm going to get my strainer. I'm going to put it right here. I'm gonna get my coffee spoon. So this is a tablespoon. So cold brew coffee is really strong. So what it calls for is putting 12 tablespoons in here. That's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. So now all you're gonna do is fill this up with water. I'll put my Berkey water in here, and then you stick it in the fridge. I like to do 48 hours. You can technically do 24 to however long you want, but 48 I feel like gives the best taste. So I'm gonna stick it in the fridge for 48 hours, and then I will take this out, dump out the grounds, and just put the lid on and have cold brew coffee for whenever I'm ready. So I have my coffee in here. I'm just gonna put my lid on, stick it in the fridge, and in 48 hours I'll have a nice cold brew coffee. So what you're gonna do is, cold brew is meant to be diluted about half, and to dilute it either half with cream or milk or water. I like to do milk, so I will pour about half a glass full of this and then half of milk, and one tip is add about a tablespoon or two of maple syrup, and it is very tasty. I hope you enjoy this, and I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Have a blessed day. Bye.